Imagine that you are on a shopping website for a major online sale. You excitedly add a pair of shoes to your shopping cart. You click Purchase, anxiously waiting for your order to arrive, imagining showing it off to your friends. Your order finally arrives, but it is not the pair of shoes that you had ordered, but something radically different. You try going back to the site, but now you're having issues accessing the main page. Frustrating, right? This simple example illustrates how a lot can go wrong with a website, such as broken links, incorrect content, and compatibility issues. Due to these errors, the business will probably lose customers and, in turn, revenue. If only it had a thorough check for quality assurance, these problems could have easily been avoided. Quality assurance and testing is something that cannot be taken for granted. It directly affects the customer experience, which is a key brand differentiator. InterraIT, with its 20-plus years of product engineering expertise, built helping hundreds of Fortune 100 to Global 2000 companies, as well as startups, can help your organization improve its product quality, resulting in immersive and gratifying end-user experience. We pride ourselves in giving each customer a personalized experience, from the start to the finish. Our innovative and cutting-edge quality assurance solutions are agile, flexible, cost-efficient, and at the same time provide a high level of automation. The InterraIT Test Automation Framework, or ITAF, is a focus-driven, result-oriented, 3R approach-based framework for testing. ITAF enables organizations to have a faster go-to-market capability. Here are a few highlights from the ITAF framework. ITAF accelerates go-to-market by leveraging DevOps, automating software development lifecycle at every stage. It can be configured to execute tests on multiple machines simultaneously, whether on-premise or in the cloud. The framework is application agnostic and resolves common challenges encountered in test automation effort. So why consider InterraIT as your trusted QA partner? It's simple. InterraIT's proven turnkey solutions have helped large and small organizations increase their product quality and productivity manifold. Faster go-to-market realized by ITAF, a focus-driven, result-oriented, 3R approach-based framework for testing. Technology stacks for ITAF comprises free and open-source software, prevents vendor lock-in, and eliminates licensing cost. Flexible pay-as-you-use infrastructure model allows scaling up-down resources based on immediate testing needs. Flexible business model, ISO 9001 certified organization. Most importantly, our no-obligation try-before-you-buy quality and test automation service offers customized POCs that eliminates risk and buyer's remorse. Come talk to us and discuss how we can help improve your product quality. Reach out to us for a free testing assessment by visiting our website, www.interrait.com/quality, or email us at qa-services@interrait.com. Quality matters. Trust us. We know and we can help.